This is me. As you can see, there's a computer running. I've overclocked this to 4.5 GHz. Don't know if you can see that there. I've retook the test to get the base score. Not only does it increase the processor score, it's also increased the RAM score to 7.7. Of course, the graphics is still 7.4, and the primary hard disk can't get any better than 7.9 because, of course, the scale is of 1 to 7.9. 7.9 being the best. So, as you can see, this machine is nearly what Windows say the best. So here's Windows Task Manager. At the moment, I'm rendering. So as you can see, that's up there at 100%. The temperature is idle. It's about 60 degrees. Let's keep it nice and cool, thanks to my aftermarket cooler. I'll just move this over here. I'm rendering some video at the moment. This is with global illuminations on. 9 seconds, 8 seconds. Before the clock, that was taking 12 seconds per frame, so that's saving me 3 seconds. I estimated it to be a 40-minute render instead of a 50-minute render, so that saved me 10 minutes just for overclocking. You won't get that sort of performance. As you can see, I've added some vehicles in the background. If I show you my before, my renders, my car park before that's the car park before I've added the vehicles, and I'm just about to render it again. I added a light effect just so you can get the effects of the global illuminations, and then that's just another view of it. So yeah, of course I've rendered that in Sony as well. So I'm just rendering that again. As you can see, it's gone up to 11 seconds there. So that would probably have been like a 15-second frame to render. So yeah, it's doing a pretty good job. Yeah, there we go, 100%. The RAM's idling at like 5 gigs. You use more RAM when you're actually creating it than you do when you're rendering. Rendering is 100% CPU. So yeah, there's a 7.7 score. Well, that's really good. So that's a 0.2 increase for the extra 1.2 GHz. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. So back down to 7 seconds per frame. So yeah, that's it. That's just an update of my 4.5 GHz overclock. Thank you very much.